Okay, again, mostly just distracted and digesting. That's really where I'm at. And I don't really know if I want to mess around with level generation right now, but it's kind of where I want to head at some point. Why are you still here? Isn't it like you gotta sleep at some point? That's the response. I get a comment. Why are you here? Go to bed. Go to sleep. It's only almost 1 o'clock. Oh, I suppose you aren't first. The throne has been taken from me. You gotta check all your points. See how many points you have. That's what I spent dinner doing. I was finishing the video about the Kendrick Lamar and Drake beef, which is pretty entertaining. It's one of those things that, like, I know nothing about hip-hop, but it was still an interesting watch. Okay, what the heck was I doing? I don't even remember, bruv. Kind of want to do the potion pickup stuff, but then again, I don't. Well, because right now it's kind of random. Well, it's not, but I guess. Close call. Number 2's still coming for you. It hasn't budged in ever, but they're still coming. Never seen number 2 ever. Neither have I. I've seen the name Lurks before, and I think that's. I assume pretty much. Well, okay, no, the Matadon I actually know that's a person, but the Drapsnat and Lurks are both bots. At least I'm assuming so. I've never seen comments, but you're leaving, but not to go to bed. It's 1 in the morning and you didn't sleep last night. Maybe think about making an attempt, but that's just me. I am blessed that I don't have insomnia problems. I am lucky that genetics. Oh yeah, I suppose you did say you took a nap. That's another reason I don't nap, is because I feel like it would mess with my sleep. Really? This is what we're doing, Unity? I mean, I've left my computer on all day, I suppose, and it is quite warm. I again ate too many marshmallows for dinner, so we'll see how my stomach feels. I did not eat pancakes, though. I had pancakes for lunch, but I did not have pancakes for dinner, so at least I didn't over-sugar myself in that regard. So, I still have some pancakes in the fridge that I'll probably have tomorrow. Thanks, Unity. That's great. That's just fantastic. Okay. I do still have to do audio stuff. I don't know that I want to mess with that on stream, but I keep streaming everything, so maybe. Ah, that's what it was. I want to add. I want to give the police an ability to shoot you so that you can't just sit on a pile of boxes and stare at them and go, you know, thumb your nose at them. If Unity would ever load. This might be a restart Unity kind of thing. This very much might be a... Let's click on Steam. Okay, Steam is loaded. And let's click on... Okay, these are all loading. It's just Unity decided to be dumb. Oh, I can get rid of this. So, I'm good. I'm doing really good today. I mean, beyond, I had too many marshmallows for dinner, but but I'm good. Or rather, for dessert. Come on, Unity. Wonderful. Fantastic, phantasmagorical. Yeah, making good progress on the game. I went for a walk this morning, but yeah, I still haven't gotten back into working out, and I want to, but I'm just so scared of my kidney stone. Yeah, especially because it's gone from like discomfort to like no discomfort, but still sad about Spirit Eel. Sag. I don't know that I've used like any emojis. That's just not a thing I do. Really? 5 minutes, Unity? Come on. Oh, it is updating. I'll let it go. I'll give it a Oh. Maybe. Holy balls. Why the molasses load? Gee whiz. Are you finally out of your own butt at this point? No? What is going on, Unity? I want to be able to continue doing development here. Hello. I was thinking of like oh, how are you? How's it going? And then realizing I never know if anybody sticks around, so I never asked the question. I probably should get a little more into the habit, but... Okay. Oh, I should, Okay, if Unity's gonna be stupid, let's do a quick check on... I haven't looked at the Pirate Software page, because I'm curious about submissions. Okay, it's up to 120. It was at like 50 for a while. Yeah, 3 days left. I feel like it should be ticking up here. Wizard Village, Wizard Castle, Shadows and Potions. That's very much a lot of games, I'm assuming, are gonna be like that. Now, is there still a lot of the like garbage, like people just submitting to submit kind of games? Yeah, okay, they're still there. I'm surprised that there's not like a moderator getting some of those. And this stream happened today because got bored of it. I was doing Minecraft with younger brother instead. That sounds fun. I don't have a younger brother to play Minecraft with, and I don't think my sister's ever had an interest in Minecraft. But she's not a gamer either. From the Shadows, Science in the Shadows. I'm glad I didn't add Shadows or Alchemy in the title. I feel like that was a little too obvious, so I'm like, no, we're gonna do... Okay, so there's a good amount of people that are actually like submitting games at this point. So... Now I'm having his attention, he doesn't want me. Let me play what you want to play. Guess you gotta do more Minecraft then. So. Although, I mean, I've had fun with Minecraft, but I do get a little sick of it. I guess I should like try to reach the end. I've never reached the end of Minecraft or anything. Saw your stream this morning, but was too tired and just fell asleep on stream, and then I ended up waking up at 2. Yeah, it's like, guys gotta get slightly better sleep routines. But I'm glad you're able to stop by at least a little bit. There's no way to play something that he can't. Got bored of Minecraft. I guess Roblox then? That's what the kids play, right? Okay, so... Is Unity gonna be a butt? Or are you gonna let me actually run it? Apparently no. You're not gonna let me run it. You're gonna be a butt. I mean, it does take a little bit, but please be a lot less than 5 minutes. That's insane. Making a funny golf game on Unreal. A la, like, What the Golf? Or an actual, like, golf game. Because I think that one's like a golf-adjacent game, but... Let's see, there's also Curse to Golf. How many golf games do I know? There's that Coffee Golf mobile game that I thought was actually kind of cool. It was like little daily challenges of golf on mobile. Okay, now you finally decided to load again. Thank you. Gee frickin' whiz. Okay. So now, I wish to shoot the player with guns and bullets. You have to shoot the ball and hit it into the thing. And then you can trick shot it. Interesting. It's reminding me, I haven't done the Stream Avatars basketball in a long time. But... Third. Third in terms of logging in, signing in, or Stream Avatars currency. I didn't actually check. Well, no, I think it was... I think it's if anybody asks for an allowance. Could definitely get some more money. Do some roulette on Stream Avatars. Okay, I was... Okay, I have... Okay, Act 2. It's always so slow. It's like you just gotta rev up that engine. Just kind of slowly crank it until it finally, like... Until you get into the zone. Okay. The hair color, I would also like to remove. It should just be the hat there. I wouldn't be a streamer, I would say this, and it's not normal that a third after 12 minutes. Okay. Hat. Hair color. I would like to remove the hair color, so... Okay, hair color. So no matter the type of the character, the hair color should be white at this point. So... Those are not being used, that's not being used, so I should be able to just slap a hair color equals white right here for maximum confusion. And then I should have the hat is not going to be funky colors, so hey, congrats on the calculated jump there. I never know how much the lag is going to affect it, so you got to have some pretty good timing to fight with all the lag. Why is the head not visible? Didn't I have some kind of... Oh, wait, why am I looking at this prefab? I need to be looking at the other prefab. After the stream from last night, I'm definitely watching the most. Oh, thank you. As in, I'm making a very interesting game, or my stream is good, or... Like, it's just... I'm just kind of mumbling while I make a thing, but... Gonna play Spider-Man 2 for the last trophy. Sounds fun. Good luck. I'm assuming a last trophy is probably gonna be difficult to get, so... Yeah, I haven't done any PlayStation stuff. It was just like, there was only a handful of PlayStation games that interested me, so I never, Okay, so what I wanted was making an interesting game, and the stream is chill. I try to keep it chill. It doesn't always happen, I do get a little frustrated sometimes. I have to play through it again. That seems like a pain. Well, I guess it's time consuming, but still, I suppose good luck. Good luck playing through the entire game for however many times, I suppose. I don't actually know if it's just a second or if it's more than that. Why? Why does my brain always just leave? Okay, I was checking to see if the hair was going to be the correct color. Can I make my gnome lay on... As in, like, me just tilting my head? Or... I think I can rotate it in OBS. I don't really want to, but... I believe I can. I don't know why I would do that either. Transform... Rotate 90 degrees. Yes. I can kind of lay on my side. Let's find that again so I can undo it. Actually, wait, can I hit Control Z? Is that a thing? Control Z? I can. Negative 90? What, you want me to sniff the stream avatars? Is that what we're going for? Let's see, transform, rotate counterclockwise. Yes, I can. There is a counterclockwise as well. Why are we doing this? Okay, well, yeah, because now that the way I look at my screen there, I'll be facing down at the ground. Honk chew. What's the goal here? Just distraction? just for the distraction? I kind of figured that OBS would have an ability to rotate things easily, but good to know it does. Okay. So I started on some kind of shooting, right? Oh, I started on a shooting, yeah, here, but there's no way that it enters this state. So I need to have it enter this state. I think what I'm gonna do is just, if the player is above the character, then shoot the character. If you can't chase after him, then shoot him. So this is the if... Oh, no. Okay, so this is if it's chasing. Yeah, because this is on update. So if chasing and if the character, if the target is above a certain amount, then shoot him instead. Oh my goodness, target. Dot transform that Y. Never ended up making s'mores last night. That's a bummer. S'mores are good. I should be cooking the marshmallows. I've just been raw dogging marshmallows. I probably shouldn't. I've just been eating marshmallows raw. Yeah, I haven't been doing Chubby Bunny or anything. Although maybe that'll get me to eat less marshmallows if I just eat all of them all at once. Or I just choke because there's nobody around. Which is why I don't do that. I have never done Chubby Bunny, but it also has never interested me. Because it very much is a choking hazard. It's literally like, can you not choke on marshmallows? Or what is your choking point there? Is my stomach better from the marshmallows and chili? It is. It's not nearly... I didn't eat chili today, so... But I did eat marshmallows. It's my stomach's doing okay for now. And it wasn't too awful last night. It's definitely like, I'm queasy. I think it was probably the chili, which sucks because I absolutely love that chili. I was thinking I gotta look up a recipe on how to actually make chili. Get that Borderlands, like, my chili recipe dies with me. Okay, so then this is greater than shoot level or something. Kind of what this is, another variable here. So this is, yeah, sure, shoot level, or shoot height. So if it's above the shoot height, other way around, if the player is above shoot height, then turn chasing into shooting. And I think... Oh, and it switches it back to searching. Yeah, okay. So So then shooting. This may or may not cause problems, but I suppose we'll see. So the shoot height is 0. I do have projectiles, so I suppose we'll see if I actually can get shot. And then I need to have it I have to add something to the player so that when shot, it does something. Oh, yeah, hate it when something doesn't work but you don't get an air. That makes sense. Not getting feedback is the worst. That's why I hate looking for a job, too. Because you apply to a whole bunch of places and you get no response. It's not good, it's not bad, you get no response. It was only recently that I actually got, like, just a free, like, oh yeah, your resume could be better. It's like, oh, thank you. And then I didn't deal with it, and then the feedback is now gone, so it's just kind of a bummer. Okay, wait, this is the template character, meaning... okay, wait, let's do one last double check to make sure that it is looking like a cop, correct? Oh yeah, I did need to remodel the cop. I was thinking of adding a spotlight. Instead of a point light. Because that'll be a lot easier to tell if a guard is looking at you as well. I do need to add a lot of audio stuff too. Okay. I was testing. If the guard shoots me. You are not shooting me. You are running full speed ahead. Okay. So now if I jump. So let's jump on a box first. And then go piss off a guard. And see if they shoot at me. Or rather if they just stop. Because they really should just stop, right? Shooting is... Oh. Okay, wait, so you need to not go. Wait, I'm listening to this on SoundCloud, aren't I? Oh, that might be causing problems too. Okay, so how about bye-bye with this? And debug raycast, I'm good. And draw ray. The videos on whatchamacallit are... Is that somebody else's? Yeah, okay. I think I'm gonna just stick with the nav mesh stuff for now. I'm not gonna try to upgrade that. Okay, and this was the... There we go. Do tween is all I need there. Okay, and then surprisingly, like, the rest of these can stay. And then just to, well, this is to move the tab to a different spot. Okay, there we go. So now, I'm checking to see if the cop looks correct, right? Oh, no, I'm checking to see if the cop shoots me, but I will start with, let's double check that it does look like. Yeah, okay. Got a very, like, Tombstone kind of vibe. So I could get rid of that police prefab because that is also causing errors and issues. So, we're just running full, full speed. Okay, so it is because it's set the destination and that does not change here. Okay, so you need to stop. Actually, let's set this destination to null. Right? Can I... or does that cause it to explode? Because really, I just don't want it to go anywhere. I want it to just sit there, but I don't really want to change, like, the variables and stuff, so... No. Apparently I can't do that. Make it so that it's actually just where it already is, I suppose. chase after yourself there. Oh, and then this resets it to searching. Yeah, okay, so it does actually break out of the shooting as well. Okay, so... Oh, and this... So I could just add the... well, transform, rather. I just need to add a transform. That is the... So serialized field, transform. And then this is the gun barrel. And then this I can slap into here. I didn't even see if it was actually... Okay, dot position. Oh, well then I could just make it a vector 3. Vector 3. There we go. Okay. So now, let's figure out how to add that and where it is, and then see if it's actually making any kind of projectiles. Then, gotta make sure that they collide with the player and stuff. Oh, I don't even know if they are rigid bodies, and if that'll be enough. Dang it, I kind of do one rhyme and then it just stops. I am not cut out to be a rapper. That's for sure. Am I a great game dev? Nah, neither. I just need to hit play, right? Oh, I just need to see if it actually gets to shooting, which it should, because if it says, if it's anything above 0, it should stop. Yeah, because I said the target is null. So hopefully it just stops and then spawns projectiles at me. Ideally, but we'll see. Don't know. Okay, so I am above all the things. I am the king of the domain. And you're running full speed at me. Great, fantastic. You're supposed to stop. Okay, meaning you might not be getting into shooting. Which is a little confusing to me because you're clearly chasing. And this target transform position.y is greater than shoot height. I mean, it's gotta be, because this is 0, and this is at least above 0, right? So what is that? Like, what the heck is this? This is not even special Q, is it? Yeah, no, this is something else. Okay, no, I wanted this artist, not any artist, because then it's gonna go to an artist that's popular, and that's not gonna work, because I don't really want to piss off the whatchamacallit. Justin TV. Twitch.tv. Okay, so doesn't seem to be shooting, but it definitely seems to be chasing. Oh, because it's getting into the shooting state. The shooting state is getting reset, and then it's going back into the chasing state. Aha, okay. So this actually needs to be where it gets set to chasing, and not here. Okay, so now let's see if I can get shot at. Well, I think the other thing that makes me feel good is that I'm doing game development, which makes me feel good, and this is, I think, the best game I've ever made. Or at least one of the best games I've ever made. Because there's some other bigger, longer ones. Because, well, and that's the thing, is something like Bomb Squad I can consider being like the best game, but it's also not done. And then something like Theory Crafter is like pretty good too, but also not completed. And this one's a lot closer to being completed, I think, especially because the looming deadline. Gotta get like some liquid cooling on my PC or something. It seems to just be chuggly ugly and... Aha, you've stopped. You don't appear to be looking at me. You thought about it. Okay, is it... So you are stopping, meaning you... So, projectiles. Oh. These don't... These delete after a certain time, right? Where are these? Like where? Like what? Like who? Like how? The 0, 0, 0. What? Huh? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, gun barrel. Gun barrel was never set as a thing. I has the dumb. Oh, wait okay, and you can go away. I don't need you anymore. Yes. You're the thing. So gun barrel. Target, no. Where's the thing? There we go. You're not... No, you're serialized field. Vector 3, so under the audio source. Gun barrel, there we go. Okay, so that is not gonna work out. So instead, that's why I was doing game object. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. So gun barrel, because then it should be parented to, instead of just being a strict dot position. There we go. So now this object. Really? 30 seconds every time? It almost gets long enough to where I'm like, I can boot up a game while I'm waiting. And that's a major distraction. It's like, no, no, no. Yep, 30 seconds. Are you kidding me? It's just because everything else on my computer seems to load pretty good. Even when I have like way too many Chrome tabs open, it seems to run okay. I don't know, there's a lot of stuff that just like really chug-a-lugs for a while, and then it starts to even out. Because that's what was happening with Elden Ring as well. I'd boot it up and it was just like, it would scream in pain. And then I would get far enough that it would start to actually load things just fine. 30 seconds anytime I do anything? Please. Go back to what you were doing earlier, which was less than that. Oh, wait. So you should not be coming at me until you see me. Okay, you're not seeing me. So patrolling is still absolutely broken. Those... Oh, you don't have a coin anymore. Why? The amount of bullets that just get dumped out of the gun immediately. Let's tone that down. Okay. It's also destroy projectile, wait for seconds, range. It should be like 0, right? Okay, prefab, projectile, wait for seconds is 50. Okay, so that's why it's living so long, but it's also not... It's also not moving, which would seem like the player, no, not player, sorry, guard. Projectile speed. Aha, okay, so do like a 100. And then also, what is the shooting rate? Oh, literally every update. That's why it's shooting so ridiculously. Okay. Shoot, I just closed that other project, which I think has the... wait. Unless it's code that I pulled over to here. It's not projectile. It's not gun or anything, right? The police, maybe? Police. Aha. Yeah, okay, that's why I was doing this spawn coroutine projectile. Or start with coroutine. Wait, wasn't I... Yeah, there we go. Yield, return, wait for seconds, fire rate. Yes. Okay, there we go. Yes. There we go. Yes. There we go. Not player. I'm working on the guard right now. I don't know why my brain keeps insisting. Okay. I got rid of the prefab. Well, at least I kept this around. Okay, I already have projectile and projectile speed, so now just fire rate needs to move over. So fire rate. And then oh, I can add a, if the player is still shooting, then you would start the coroutine again. I was going back to here, it's clear. And then I just want to rhyme it with grinning ear to ear, but that's what I always rhyme it with. Because I'm not really good at rhyming and rapping, especially when I'm doing code at the same time. Okay, you're supposed to look at just the target, not the player. So that's still good enough. I think squeebs me. Transform deposition. No. Transform, look at. Transform, right? No, target. Transform. There we go. Okay, and then that was also if it's in the shooting state, continue to fire the gun. So state equals states dot shooting. So if you're still shooting, so then here in the shooting state, oh, meaning I don't necessarily need that then, right? Actually, no, I don't want that then. Because, okay, actually, so just continue to shoot if you are in the shooting state, but otherwise. So don't do that, do this. And then don't do that. Okay, so the fire rate is 0, meaning it's gonna continue to do the, like, blast out at Mach speed. So let's do like a 30 or something. Also, I was just realizing the character was... So when it's sitting there looking at a wall, it's not patrolling. It's trying to shoot me? Meaning it was trying to chase. I'm like, wait. So is that explaining what is happening with the patrolling? Because it should just be patrolling just fine. I thought it was a pathfinding error. But maybe not. Oh, wait. The shoot height is still 0. I didn't change the fire rate either. Okay, let's mess with some variables. So I need to mess with the shoot height and the fire rate. Okay, let's go back to you. Got some Burger King. Gross. I never ate Burger King much as a kid, and then I had it once or twice and was like, this is why I have never had Burger King. It is just bad. I do not like Burger King. So, I mean, I was hurting myself with marshmallows. You have fun hurting yourself with Burger King. Although I've been tempted to get some food, just because my fridge is running low. Oh, so you're willingly admitting that you are hurting yourself with Burger King. I mean, I just think it's gross and bad, but you know, to each their own. It has King in its name for a reason, I suppose. Well, or maybe they just want you to think they're the king of burgers. I know that's how countries are named and stuff too. Okay, the shoot height. Let's make this like 2.4 or something. Maybe 1.2. And then the fire rate like 30 or something. So it's not, it's the best food I've ever had in my life. First thing that comes to mind was the first time I had tiramisu was on a cruise when I was, I guess a teenager maybe? Or maybe a kid. I was a kid and I had tiramisu for the first time, and it was pretty dang good. But that might also have been the setting too. Like, I've had tiramisu before, and it's still good, and it's weird because I don't actually like coffee. But I do like tiramisu. Let's see. Other best food I've ever had. Yeah, because it's like a lot of... Because I make a lot of stuff that I like and I think is good, but it's never been, like, the best. Are you coming at me? You are coming at me. Okay. And you're shooting at me. You need to look at me there, bud. What is the worst food I've ever had? There was the one instance at Olive Garden where they overcooked the spaghetti and it turned into a complete mush, and then they tried to give it to me. And being the, like, courteous person I am, I attempted to eat a little bit of it, but my parents were just like, no, this is gross and bad, and, like, we're going to return it and get an actual meal. This is unacceptable. And I agreed. I tend to just eat what's put in front of me, and that was unedible. Which, I actually do like Olive Garden. I think it's actually, I think it's good. I like Olive Garden. It's not the... I'm basic. I'm a very basic person. I have realized this about myself. the fire rate. Either that or the projectile speed. One of those needs to lessen a lot. What would I do if you put chocolate-covered chicken nuggets in front of me? I wouldn't eat them, because I don't eat meat anymore. But when I did eat meat, it was chicken. I still have faux chicken stuff. I mean, I literally just cooked up some fake chicken fillets, but... and I like chocolate, but I don't love chocolate. And that combination would not appeal to me. So I would not eat it. You could have the chocolate covered nuggets if you want. Not my thing. I was never huge on chicken nuggets either. It's just kind of weird blobs of chicken. Doesn't really appeal to me. Okay, the guard. I'm not working on the player. I'm working on the guard. I want the guard to shoot me, so... Okay, that projectile speed. Do like 10, because it looked like it was doing like ridiculous projectile speed. I'm gonna do like a 100 for the fire rate or something. It's a little awkward, but... Okay, and it's supposed to look at me! And I was doing that there, transform look at. So do that here again. It's gonna be awkward, but that's okay. Go to the cool events with cousins later. It's gonna be fireworks and vendors. Sounds fun. I'm not a fireworks guy, but... And I don't do much shopping, so... Like I said, I'm a basic person. I'm a wet blanket. I know this about myself. That's why I stay inside and just work on my silly little games. No, I don't... I'm not actually a wet blanket, but there's a lot of things that people find fun that I don't, that I just shy away from. Like, I'm not gonna say fireworks are not fun, but it's not for me. And vendors are pretty fun. I just don't tend to want a bunch of stuff, so I just don't buy stuff. Now, if there were more like garden gnomes, if I could add to my garden gnome collection, I will. So, usually inside unless you're with your cousins. Yeah, I moved away, and well, even when I was, it's just, I've lived in places that do not make it easy to get out and do stuff. Although, yeah, because like when I was in Denver, that I actually went, I went around and did things. Okay, so that fire rate is still kind of insane. Okay, so you're going to run at me because you saw me, and then you're going to shoot at me with everything you have. Holy heckums. I thought I reduced the fire rate a bunch. Okay, that's getting a lot closer to shooting at me. Also, where's the gun barrel? I thought the gun barrel was... Gun barrel? Yeah, right there. Like, it squeebs me. That's kind of above where the gun barrel is, but... Okay, but then I put that into here, gun barrel. And that's attached to the body, so it should be... It is not attached to the clothes. Yeah, okay, that's why the coin is attached there too. Okay, so hopefully that will rotate it correctly and put it in the correct position. So now I need to lessen that number because that is still ridiculous. So that fire rate, we're going down to like 1,000. You should not be shooting like a machine gun or even more than that. Okay, and then I will deal with player getting shot once it actually gets me shot. Favorite song? Probably mean, it's been a while. I mean, it probably still is. Let's see how many followers. Yeah, 13K. Probably gonna it's probably gonna flag it for this, but as long as I talk over it a little bit. But yeah, Skooks Raw here, who hasn't put out any music in years. Kind of a bummer, but and even this is 7 years ago. I'm like, maybe I should update my taste in music. But I love this song. This song is so good. Okay, and unfortunately, like I said, I think Twitch will flag that, so let's not do that, as good as it is. So go back to what I was listening to. Oh, that is exactly what I was listening to. Oh, there was another one from... That's still ridiculous. Why are you still, like... It's absolute, like... Fire hose and bullets. But I did a tiny little sidestep, but apparently that was enough. For... I thought I toned down the fire rate. So it wasn't like, here's this just... all of the bullets all at once. Yeah, no, it's still just... Also, that gun barrel's in the wrong spot still. I moved it. Like, excuse me, buddy. It's supposed to be attached to... Okay, the fire rate has been reduced. You dumb. Because that's why I was doing that, is because... Oh, wait. It might still be... Yeah, start coroutine. It's restarting the coroutine. I was thinking that it was going to stop the... Okay. So... Here, whenever it starts this shooting state. Okay, so I do want it back to where it was. So now when it switches to shooting, it starts the coroutine, and then this coroutine continues as long as it is still in the shooting state. Okay, that's why I had what I had. But that also doesn't answer why in the heck the bullets are coming out of the feet instead of the gun barrel, because I put a separate thing there to get it to come out of the gun barrel. You dumb. Okay, states is states dot shooting. I might have to up the projectile speed too, because the bullets seem to be moving pretty slow. Oh, it is 10. Let's bump it up to like 30 maybe. So the gun barrel, which I moved to the... I'm a little confused. Wait. When I spawn the bullet, am I spawning it without a parent? Because it should not have any parents. Spawn projectile, instantiate, original position. Oi! I'm not even using gun barrel anywhere. No wonder I'm having issues. Gun barrel. Yeah, you're supposed to be gun barrel, not transform dot position. You dumb. Marshmallows with chocolate inside of them. Yeah, that sounds really good. That sounds like a really good way to do s'mores for sure. Yeah, I know I've done that as for camping, where it's like jamming like a small Hershey's bar inside of a marshmallow for s'mores. It's hard to toast it like that, because then because the chocolate has such a low melting point. Yeah, I know my mom likes to do the, like, chocolate inside of the marshmallow. But I inherited more of my dad's, like, just slowly toast it to a nice golden brown and then eat it. It does sound good, though. Yeah, the bag of marshmallows I had actually had a recipe for, like, melt the chocolate and then drizzle it on top of the marshmallows and put them on sticks. But now I'm just, like yours, burnt. I mean, it's okay to be wrong sometimes. That was my aunt. My aunt really liked burnt marshmallows, so it just does not compute for me. Not that it's horrible. It's edible, but it's definitely don't prefer it that way. It's like, why don't you just lick the ash out of the campfire at that point? I mean, that's probably a lot of dirt, so it wouldn't really work, but... Lots of people don't like it, but you like it burnt. Is it the same thing with steak, too? No pink at all? Just completely brown chunk of meat? Not that I've had steak in forever, either. That was what got me on the whole vegetarian thing in the first place. Was just because I never liked beef, and then I was like, well... I mean, pork and turkey aren't bad, but I don't really need them. And then I found substitutes for chicken and was like, okay, yeah, I don't need meat. You butt! What are you doing that, like, bullet hose again? Shoot it a lot less. Oh, wait. I'm seeing other little bullets in there. Did I just forget to turn off the other bit of code? Transform, look at, start coroutine, spawn projectile. I did. I forgot to turn this off. There we go. So then when it turns into the shooting state, it does coroutine. Yeah, okay, so that's when it sets it to shooting. Right? This is... Oh, unless that's also on an update. I'm like, wait a second. Okay, and it's not already in the shooting state. So state is not equal to shooting. States. Shooting. If it's not already shooting, then it turns into the shooting state. So then hopefully that's not gonna do it on update. You dumb. You goof. Okay, I will sit after I successfully get this working. Why 30 seconds? Why a minute? Just to test one new thing, you dumb. And I don't know if it's Unity or if it's my computer. It's just, my computer runs fine for everything else. Well, not really for Chrome necessarily either, but it's like the things that are the really big programs that take a lot of space and effort don't run as fast. But I don't notice it with small programs, so it's like I feel like if I noticed it with a small program, maybe I would worry about it a little more. At least it's running okay, because it was doing like a ton of bullets and still working okay. Cousins are coming, but phone is only at 8%. I mean, I charge my phone every night. And I don't even use it all that much. You dumb! You butt. Would you stop doing the bullet hose thing? Why are you doing this? Shoot less bullets, please. Guess who's back? Should do another nap. Ask very nicely. I mean, I would. I should just talk to the computer. Nice and soothing. Okay, please. Just, if you're in the shooting state, do this. Okay, that's the 2 references. One here. Holy balls. I'm sorry I clicked the reference button there. Gee whiz. Okay, no, it's gotta be this, though. Okay, let's turn this off and see if... Wait, it's 1 in the morning. No, it's gotta be 1 in the morning, right? Something like that? A little after... No. If it's on the... It's 6:40? So is it 2:40 then? Nearly 3 in the morning? I mean, I wake up at 3 in the morning to take a piss, and then I go back to bed. 30 seconds. I don't want to just work, please. Okay, coming up on 2, not 3 o'clock. Okay. See, now it's one of those like, oh, now I'm gonna feel bad for saying go to bed. That's like, I do realize insomnia is a problem, but... And I have the privilege to be able to just sleep in the middle of the night. I do think my genetics, but don't feel bad about it. Well, and I did put a lot of effort into my sleep. I did make sure I had like a weighted blanket, and you saw nothing. Please tell me you're gonna... That didn't look like a bullet hose, because you're not shooting at all. Yeah, okay, good. So you're trying to shoot me, and not shooting me. Meaning, that's what's causing it to spawn a billion bullets. Because it's saying, okay, if the collider is not null and the collider equals player and the angle is within the angles, yeah, then it chases. And then here, if it's greater than the shoot height and not shooting, that's the thing, then it should set it to shooting. Oh, shoot, it's here. Searching. That sets it to searching, so then it is not shooting. And I can't set it after the fact. Right? Because chasing, and then chasing here. So it would never chase if the... Oh, I'm setting it to chasing right there. So chasing. No. Shoot. It's because I'm resetting it. And then I'm determining if it should be chasing and if it should be shooting. But the problem is that starts the coroutine for shooting many, many times over. I just wanted to do it the once. One more once. First time seeing the guards. Yeah, I switched out the models, at least for the shooting. So now it looks like this. Looks like this guy. And then, like I said, I wanted to do a version of prisoner. Oh yeah, just prisoner. I wanted to switch the default to be instead of a shiv being a flashlight of some kind, and then just on the cop body. So, and I mean they're pulled from that other project anyway. There's lots of stuff that I'm. Okay, so how do I get it to not... Yeah, so it resets to searching, and then checks to see if it should be chasing, and then if it's chasing, it should set it to shooting. problem is, it's always doing this. And the coroutine is fine if it stays in the shooting. But it doesn't stay shooting because this resets. And then I don't think I can... okay, wait, so if I do... So if I check if it should be chasing before... Okay, so if I do this... So that'll reset it. That's the well, okay, it'll reset it at the end, though. Okay, hopefully... No, that'll reset it every time, though. So that doesn't do anything to do this. It's going to reset every time, and that's fine. Except I want it to only start the coroutine for the shooting the once. But how do I determine that if it resets every time? Dadgummit, I just don't want them to be bullet hoses, you dumb. Okay, actually, be a bullet hose. Let me check if the gun barrel is working. Because I never checked that. I keep trying to solve two problems at once and then not getting very far in either of them. I told myself I was going to sit after I got this working, and then I didn't get it working. I guess it's a good incentive. It's 30 seconds every time now. Away, away, away. I don't want to shell out a couple of thousands of dollars for a new computer. Especially when this isn't working, if slow. But then again, I was just buying new computer parts, so... Well, the other upgrade, I should get a new desk. My IKEA desk is falling apart so much that one of the other screws fell out, and I'm like, okay, no, this is so old. I've upgraded everything else, and somehow the desk has never been upgraded. Be back soon when you're in the car on the way there. No problem. Again, I'm not doing any, like... You're not missing, like, a good episode of a show or anything. It's just me futzing around with this. Where you at? Why are you dumping so many bullets into... Okay, so that's the wobbliness of the bullets is definitely because of... You're shooting out of the gun barrel. Okay, so let's do that. And then let's do... you. That's... Dadgummit, I moved it because I was like, oh, that seemed a little off. And then I made it a little off. Mother... father. You. I went out of my way to put the gun barrel at the wrong spot. It was good. Right about there, and then I done goofed it. Okay. So that made it so that the gun is shooting correctly. Now I just needed to do it based on the fire rate instead. It just felt good to use this coroutine to say, okay, do a wait for seconds fire rate. It just felt kind of right. Problem is, it just resets. I mean, I guess I could do something after this to say whether this is what the previous state was. Because if it comes out of this and it's chasing, if it comes out of this and it's shooting, that's the previous state. If it doesn't get changed, then it's searching. That's clunky as hell, but I might do it, because screw it. Okay, states. Previous, it's one of those like, yeah, it's just a first draft. I can get it on a rewrite. And then never rewrite it, you know, but whatever. Okay, so previous state is equal to whatever the state is right now. Didn't I just say previous state? State. Okay, so then here, and previous state is not equal to states that's shooting. Okay, so is that gonna do what I want it to do? So if it starts shooting, the previous state will become shooting. And so then it'll reset the state, then it'll check this previous state. So hopefully, I want to use that start coroutine. I didn't want to do another variable of elapsed time or whatever. I want to sit, but it's a victory sit. I want to get it working. And then, so hopefully I can get this working. Then I can get it so that the characters, or so the bullet actually not damages, but stuns. Because nobody has any health. Because first, I don't want to mess with the UI for it. And second, I think if they're all alchemists and they've become immortal anyway, that just feels like a fun story thing. And I don't know if it's a plot point I should explain or not, but well, and at some point I should do something with the picking up the potions, because I got rid of that in the tutorial, but then you can't actually pick up the potions. You just throw random. You don't even throw random potions anymore. You just throw one type of potion. So I don't know. I kind of like the improv if you gotta use whatever potion you've been given. Why do I start looking at the ground now? I didn't used to be like that. Did you not see me? You did see me. You suck! Please stop with the bullet hose. You butt. Oh, it's when you lean back. It's in the wrong position. Stop with the bullet hose, you butt. Why? Why do you do this? Oh, is not equal to shooting. Yeah, no, that's correct. I mean, but it's clearly still looking at the player and trying to shoot them. God balls. Okay, I'll do the dumb dead blasted elapsed time or whatnot. Do I have an elapsed time? No. Okay, so shoot time. Do I have a shoot time somewhere around here? Projectile speed and fire rate. Okay, so fire rate, or just elapsed fire rate for maximum confusion. Where is fire rate? Here. Okay. Elapsed fire rate. I didn't want to do this, you dumb. Why? Okay, and then Is this even gonna do what I want? I keep adding more and more stuff and it's not doing what I want. So previous state can also get reverted. That does not seem to be doing what I want. I mean, it's because this should have been setting that to shooting. And then should not have reset here. But it sure seemed like it was. Okay, so now if... Wait, spawn projectile is just a method, right? It's not a... No, it is an enumerator. Okay, meaning that I gotta do all this stuff. Dadgummit. So, if elapsed fire rate is greater than the fire rate, shoot a bullet and then reset the elapsed fire rate. And then on update, just elapsed fire rate plus. So is this gonna work? Or are you gonna do this dumb dad blasted mother flippin'? Okay, so don't do this anymore either. So just spawn the projectile on its own using this. And do not be a bullet hose, you dumb. And then it's 30 seconds every time. Getting miffed. Well, and it doesn't help that everything I try is still giving me bullet hose, man. I would like less bullet hose, man. Also, I don't know why the gun barrel is not... It's attached to the model, and the model's leaned back, but it seems like the bullets are not spawning out of the correct position when leaned back. Oh. They're probably colliding with the actual model of the... Okay, so you... Yeah, you do not see me. So can I steal money from you? You don't have a coin. I switched out the model. That's a bummer. Okay, so now are you gonna be... Oh, wait, I need you to... Okay, there. Because now you're gonna stay away... Oh, dadgummit. There. Are you shooting at me? Yeah, there we go. Man, I wanted to be cool and use the flippin' whatchamacallit, but I guess not. At least I got it working. Oh, I have my stream deck that I have volume. I should use my stream deck, dadgummit. Oh, it's because I attached it to the clothing. Wait. Oh! I'm just dumb. Both of y'all should be here. Okay, that'll fix both issues. That the coin was not showing up and the gun barrel was not working right. Okay, so now the elapsed fire rate, the fire rate can be more like 100 or something. Yeah, I wasn't entirely planning on doing guards and cops with guns, but I think it was after I added those exit signs, and then After I realized I kind of need the... Or because the player is always above the guards, and it's way too easy to evade them. I mean, I could speed up the guards a bit too, but I have this entire, like, shoot the guards now too. I can't remember if that's... Because I feel like you get things thrown at you in Dishonored and stuff too. I feel like it's... Oh. I guess it broke line of sight? Okay, that was right on the edge. Interesting. So is... okay, those are going through me. Okay, you know what? Stop idling. Just chill. Okay, do you have... Or stop running, rather. Why are you running? Animator. For you. Just chill. Daddy, chill. I'm gonna bust out all the memes. I know how to... what even is the hit animation? That's pretty good. Nice rock back and forth. There we go, nice derpy death animation too. Okay, I did want to have a stun animation too. Okay. I need an idle animation. How has this never had an idle animation? So, animations, character. There is an idle. Oh, is it because this is the cop and the cop didn't need an idle? And that's probably the player idle. So then death and then... Yeah, these are probably player animations. Enemy. Oh, there we go. Death, hit, walk. So now idle. And the idle animation, I think, is just gonna be just sit there. Yeah, because I don't want it to move. I don't want it to rock back and forth or rock side to side. I think I just want it to sit there, so... I guess I could do animator.pause, but... Whatever, this also works. So just rotation, nothing. It just does nothing. It just stands there. Okay, so... And then in the animator? Yeah, okay, it looks like the animator here. Why is this not anything? Like, I don't understand how that came out like that. Or if that's Unity exploded and that's what the issue is. So shooting. We'll just throw that under the shooting state here. Is animator. No, wait, where's the... There's no animator on the guard? How am I doing the walking and stuff? Okay, wait, and I said I was gonna sit after I got the gun working, so I'm going to do that. I will sit. Okay. So, animator, where are you? This has to have an animator, right? No. Oh, the guard. The template character might have an animator then, right? Or the character visuals, rather. Has... Like, somebody's got to be doing the animations. Please, come on. Why? I'll turn it off tonight, and then you can chill for a whole night there, computer. I guess I have been running it pretty hard all day. I've been doing streaming and game development and whatever else all day. Okay, so you have an animator. Okay, character visuals does not have an animator. And the guard does not have an animator. How are you animating? What? Those are all nothing. Huh? You're just doing the one animation. That's what's happening. It's never doing any other animation. So I've never had to have an animator. Aha, okay, serialized field. Animator. I was just surprised I didn't have an animator yet. Okay. So now, the shooting here is animator dot play and then idle. And then chasing is animator dot play. Which I feel like this needs to be in the animator, but the animator didn't have anything. Oh. Or maybe it doesn't have anything because it was only playing one animation anyway, but I thought it needed to have the animator working still. Okay, I can regret that later. I still need to remake. I still need to give the guard a torch, a flashlight, as it were. Okay, I kind of need that. Kind of. Okay, maybe I should mess with the model here if it's going to continue to do that. Okay, so now we're going to save you as... Not a new project. Yeah, save project as... Okay, that's my computer. If everything is lagging out like this, that's my computer. So, police. Since I have... Yeah, there we go. Police. With... flashlight. Try to maybe use a sensible naming convention for once. Okay, so this is... first, 32, 32, 32. There we go. And then second, we'll do like a black, like a mag light kind of flashlight. I kind of want it thicker than that. Do I want to do like full on? Like it's a thick, like 4x4 voxels kind of. Yeah, actually kind of. It's Give me this. Give me this. Okay, so then I can do like a full attach here. Maybe straight up black is not the greatest idea, but that's okay, whatever. We'll do like a bright yellow right there. It's one of those, either I get rid of the extra voxels or I double down and add some more. Yeah, I know Maglight's another one of those Monopoly sort of flashlight things where people have made better flashlights, but okay, no, doubling down I think seemed to help. Okay, now, yes. Wait, I can save this palette? Is there an easy way to just transfer them? Wait, I have... So police with flashlight, can I open palettes? Okay, I guess I have not saved it, so let's save it specifically and specially. So police. Police with flashlight, open. Police. There we go. Okay, so now I can use this to kind of paint bucket there. I believe the shoes are just straight up black. They sure look like they're straight up black. Shoes are straight up black, but the belt is that gray. So shoes are straight up black. And then the belt is oh, and then I actually added a black tie there, and that's just right on the line there. So that's you right there. Okay, that's the belt, and then it looks like that's just straight up black again, right? Yes, straight up black tie. That goes from there to there. Is it that long? The head looks off on the prisoner. Okay, it's one above the belt line there. Hello, hello. What am I doing? I'm updating my guards here. Oh, it's the body. I need just the body. Oh, no, I need to switch out. Oh, man, there's all sorts of different parts to this. Pain in the butt. Okay, why does the head look entirely different? This worries me. So, I guess if you wanted to take a quick look at what I got going for the actual game instead of just the model here, there's a glimpse at the cop model. I'm trying to make it so they're not in shoot mode at all the times, model-wise. I guess this is one of those evenings so that I said I was going to mess around with level generation and I haven't gotten to it. I'm still working on the guard. And then I need to pick up the potions, too. I have it so that you can see that the potions are there, but you can't actually pick them up, so... So I very much lied when I said level generation, but that is what I'm gonna mess with. It's Saturday, isn't it? I'm like convinced that it's Sunday and that it's all over. Okay, so let's go find the cop. Aha. Let's go sneak up on the cop. Hey, and there's a coin that I can steal. Right? Yeah, there we go. Okay, but then if you see me... why are you running sideways, you dumb? What? Why did you decide now I'm gonna run sideways? It does not help me. I need you to turn and look in my direction. What did... Huh? What did I change? Why is your hat clipping through your head? I was messing with modeling. I wasn't... What are you doing? I didn't change anything. Unity users waiting 27 seconds for nothing to compile. Okay, so that's a typical thing with Unity, because I've been waiting 30 seconds for any change I make, and I'm getting a little sick of it. Oh, the animator. I broke the animator, didn't I? Because I was trying to do idle and walk. There we go. And that should also be... That's why I messed up the animator. It's because I start on one thing, and then I go to another thing, and then I go to another thing, and I completely forget what in the heck I was doing. So apparently I was messing up the animator. Okay, so then I'll fix the... Unity's a meme for that? Okay. Yeah, it's one of those, like, it's almost long enough that I'm like, I could just accidentally go, oops, oh no, oops, let's go click on this game. Ruh-roh. Oops. And then Chrome doesn't load either, so then I'm like, okay, nope, I lied. I guess I will stick with this. Literally no engine takes 30 seconds for every compile, undo, save, or anything. Well, and Unity's just bloated to all hell at this point. That's the real issue. There's just so much junk inside of Unity. And I just added more with a plugin. So... yeah, it's made me want to switch, or at least try a different engine and stuff, but... I think somebody was mentioning that Unreal also takes a bit. And I was hoping Let's Like Godot might be easier, but I've also heard it's not fully featured too, so it's like... I don't know, it's a roll my own engine time, I guess. But that's also... time consuming. It's time to get really heavy into board games, which I already started doing, so... okay, the animator... Yeah, you make it sound like I had something in the animator that broke. I'm like, what do you mean? Yeah, it's supposed to have a start and an end, right? Is this I need to restart Unity? I haven't restarted Unity all day. So let's do that. Again, that's gonna be time consuming, but let's restart everything. If it's gonna not have an animator there. Okay, so now is this gonna run? Or is it gonna load too many things to No, apparently this is also not gonna load. Like, this is actively closing, right? Yes, okay. Actually, this might be a... restarting Unity to fix Unity flaws. I'm like, this might be a restroom break kind of thing. There's a lot of things that restart. Never did that with Unreal Engine? I feel like that's a lie. Maybe time for Unreal. I feel like Unreal also has... gotta restart it sometimes too. Or so I've heard. I still haven't messed with Unreal. And then you're gonna take literally 5 minutes to close the application. That is the insanity of it. Just to close the application. Okay, nope. Nope. Too many loading bars. I'm gonna go take a. I'm gonna go pee. I will be back. I wasn't sure if I was joking. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but it looked like it said 3 minutes, and apparently it just now closed. Insanity. I mean, I haven't turned off my computer all day, because I was like, maybe it'll be faster to leave things up, but apparently not. Okay, so now it's going to be another 5 minutes. It's like, apparently it's going to take forever for Unity Hub to run, even. Okay, it was highlighting this, so I was like, maybe it's... I think my computer's old. I think it's more than just Unity at this point. I think my computer's old. It's kind of weird that it pops up the loading when you do that. That was a lucky one. Not as lucky. Unity's just ass and everyone left. I probably should have. I just have all these old projects and stuff in Unity. And then I hear that other engines are like, yeah, there's still other issues and stuff, so. But I've had enough loading issues recently that I'm like, I think I'm ready for a change. I don't know what I would move to exactly, because it sounds like each of them have their own issues, but it would probably be Godot. That was the 10. Shoot. That was that 25, okay. Hey, what am I playing? I'm playing some Boratro from... Looks at username. I'm playing the Wait for Unity to Load game. Insanity! It just loaded? You were loaded this whole time? I thought it was gonna take literally 5 minutes for it to pop up again, you dumb. Oh, so now you're like, yeah, no problem, bruv. I should have reset it so much longer ago, I guess. Okay, that'll take forever to load. I want to finish my distraction here. Multiply the score before this card by... Let's pop this up again. Multiply the score before this card by that per burned cards. That costs so much money to do, though. They're not basic. Will earn you 15 instead. In turn after adding the card to your hand. Shop has +1 card to offer. If you have no reds or blues in your hand. That's not the deck I was playing, though. And I suppose I could try this one. Oh, if I could get both of these, that would be great, but I can't. And I can't freeze the shop or anything. Let's try jokers. I haven't tried jokers. I keep maligning them. I'm not actually trying them. Okay, we're gonna burn blues this time. We're going red instead. Wait, was it buying something from the shop or was it burning a card? I don't understand what refresh the shop there. First reveal of the round automatically reveals its pair. Wait, does that mean it also... Well, let's just try it since I have the money. Oh, that's what it means. Okay. That was a good first reveal there. Do some sad cats. Ooh, wait, so... Okay, it's only blue. Wait, what is this doing again? Yeah, then I go matching the easy ones. Huh, did I manage to flip that before it was able to... Matches any blue card, copies the score of its match. Oh, if it's mock. Matches any blue card, copies the score of its mock. So what did that give me? So, was that a nothing? Since I actually went out of my way to match the jokers? Ooh, a 50. Hey, and I got it. You? No. Did remember that it was a 25. Okay. Is it this one then? Oh, that was the 100. I haven't found the other 100. Hey, look. Oh, so that was 0. Okay, yeah. Okay. Do not match the jokers with themselves. Good to know. I felt cool for doing that, but apparently it's supposed to be much more of a choice, not match the jokers. Multiplies the corresponding card from the previous pair of the hand by 3. See, these are always so hard. It's like, I don't know what's going to be the previous. Jokers score extra points equal to the match's score multiplied by 1.5. I have a joker, and I was thinking about going joker. So let's try it. And I could burn stuff, right? I do have enough money. Burn it. Okay. Oh, so that did not refresh the shop. I feel like the shop refreshed one. -1 turns. That's not great. That's doable. Oh, well, that was a good first one. Huh? That would have taken me forever to get to as well. Okay, so if I find a good blue card, I can slap that on there. That was the wrong. These two is what I was thinking. That's not a good blue card. Are you the 50? Not to 50. Is it supposed to stay revealed? Is that what I had? Was one of those things? Okay, a good blue card. I got rid of the blues. No, I was going for blue, right? I was getting rid of the reds. It's just giving me all reds. Okay, I don't remember what any of these other ones were. This is feeling like a pretty... Yeah, okay, that felt like a pretty good boss round. Oh, I was about to quit, and it exploded anyway. Or did it? Yeah, okay, it appears to have exploded anyway. Okay, I want to get back to working now that this appears to be actually loaded. So not... Because it reveals its pair, you get one move free, so one card stays revealed to the end of your turn. Okay. That makes sense. You. Yes, okay, I was messing with the animated. There, okay. So you do have a thing. Hit goes into walk and idle. Would go into walk, but... Okay, what was I doing with this again? Oh, I was just making sure that... Okay, now that the animator has idle and walk as things in here. Now that Unity is hopefully not exploding. Okay, let's see if a restart actually did help. Oh, it was saying like a null on the graph there for a while. Okay, hold on. That is faster. Okay. I just needed to reset like a long time ago. In a galaxy far away. Exweeps me. Am I not doing animator.play right? Very well could be. String state name. An idle. Oh, the animator. The animator wasn't set. That's the obvious. I never actually added the thing. There we go. You remember that you told me that? I mean, I will readily admit that I am not the smartest. I'm a VTuber. I don't think VTubers are known for being smart. I think VTubers are mostly known for being goblins. And unhinged. Okay, now let's give it a go. Oh, what I should have been doing is working on the model. I just kind of ditched it and left. I could have been working on this. Yeah, it's just because the head seems like it's the wrong size. It makes me a little worried. I want to really zig. Okay, now I want to chop off your head. No head for you. Ah, and then I also want to move this whole thing under the head. Like that or like that? Yeah, okay, one voxel there, one voxel there. There we go. Okay. Understand that I'm not the smartest at a VTuber, but I believe I could listen to you. Well, there is a difference between listening and comprehension. So, well, we'll see about the comprehending part of it. You're backward, bruv. You're facing the wrong way. And your hat's on wrong. Why did I mess with the animations? It was working fine. And now... Okay, you look... You're running at me. And look at... No. Why are you not... What did I break in between... the animation stuff? That coin seems like it's kind of off there. I wanted it to be a little more like strictly stuck to a rigid rotation on the back of the character. Okay, the guard is over there. Are you actually patrolling? That's what I want. You didn't see me, did you? Or you can't rotate towards me. What are you doing? Why can't you rotate towards me anymore, you dumb? What did I mess up here? I just changed the animations. Why? How did changing the animations make it so that it can't rotate? Wait. What is idle doing? I know the animator is very strict about if you animate the wrong thing, the whole thing freezes up. Okay. So what is walk animating? So I look at the walk animation. It is animating specifically, probably the model and not the... You drive me nuts sometimes. I'm looking at the animation in the animator, but I gotta go over here and make sure I'm clicking on the object specifically. Okay, body dot rotation, and then idle template character. No. Okay, no. I didn't think that would be a problem, but it always is. Okay, so body dot rotation. So rotation, and then do none. Okay, so let's see if that causes a problem. Because I wanted to just sit there and do nothing, and yet it stopped turning around too. Yeah, animations using root motion. Yes, that was also my my suspicion. Is the root motion issue. There we go. Okay, so now you're just gonna... Yeah, okay, it was a root motion issue. There we go. Okay, so now you'll just lean back and shoot at me. Why did you back up? Okay, maybe I lied. Maybe I don't want this idle. Ow. That's right. None for you. Get wrecked. Okay, at this point, I could probably throw in some more guards and things. Oh no! I wanted to sneak up behind you. Oh, you did lose track of me. Can I steal your coin? No, no! Okay, this is working. You're supposed to stop moving when I hit you with the green one, you dumb. Also, why is the lighting gotta be so finicky? You dumb. Gee whiz. Okay, so now I have a new police with flashlight model that I can add. I gotta shave all of the body off, and I gotta shave the hands. I gotta paint in the butt. Okay, I just added the head, but again, so no head for you. This, no hand for you. And then no other hand for you. That's fine. Why is that so oddly shaped? We might do a little bit of this and just say, if you see, because it was showing the inside of the characters on the templates, so let's just do a little bit of this. It's just all blue on the inside of the character. Okay, and then erase the hand. Nope. Nope. Select everybody. Chop off the hand. Okay, that did not hit the foot. Okay, so now this is police clothes, skin. Should be, yeah, police with flashlight. Clothes. I should probably learn some shader tricks for switching out the colors of the model, but this project is not the day. I started figuring it out on a different project, but okay, so now we do get rid of the body instead. Oops. And shoot, I was hoping that would be a little more. Okay, I kind of do have to do it like this. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, so now we can do... just make a mask or something for the material. Yeah, like I said, that's how I should be doing it, but that is not how I'm doing it right now, so... I'm kind of sticking with just the method that I have, because that's what I already have the script set up for. Even if it is a little clunky and ugly and goofy. Yeah, I really need to remake everything I've ever made from the ground up with some better methods. In terms of not only code and scripts and stuff, but also like let's learn shaders and things too. So, models. Okay, police with flashlight stuff. Whoops. Should be here, right? Yeah, police. You're not... I didn't make it white. Dadgummit. Okay, Control Z. Okay, Control Y. There. Oh, the flashlight also needed to go anyway, so I messed up some stuff. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing, is I'm like pretty sure figuring out a shader is gonna take longer than actually just doing this right now, unfortunately. I don't need to see inside of your head. Why was the... Okay, and then replace paint buckets. Why? Those were different colors? Those should not have been different colors. Why were those different colors? Skin. Okay, and then we undo all of that. Put you back together. And then save it. And then we get rid of you. I don't even know that this is all that necessary. Okay. Maybe one day I'll get good at game development. It's only been over 10 years, but maybe one day I'll understand something. Maybe this is why I've never been hired in an actual, like, company that does game development stuff, is because just, oh, this was switching out the... Because I don't recall switching out any... Skin default mesh render. I don't remember switching that out, but it was switching out the colors, right? Okay, and then... Yeah, because I think this is also kind of clunky and not a good way to do this, but... I'm in like, very much like, it's just a way to do it, so that's what we're doing. That's what we're sticking with. Okay, and then we do you and you. And do a nice go away for now. And then I did want to switch out this point light with another light. A spotlight. Give it an old reset here. And then scooch it over to the flashlight. Yeah, it's one of those. I could get precise with it, but that I ain't feeling precision right now. Despite the fact that I'm using voxels, which would be kind of a good opportunity to do precision, but... Okay, because then I'm going to need to switch out the model when I do stuff, but for now, let's see. Well, importing prefab file? Why is it having a hard time with a prefab file right now? Okay, what does the guard look like? You still look like you have a point light. Yeah, okay, and now you're just shooting a bullet from who knows where. It sucks that you can still do the kind of step around as a almost viable strategy for avoiding a guard. Whoop. It's supposed to stop you in your tracks. It's like, dadgummit. Oh, that's spot. Okay, wait, I didn't get rid of the point light, and the spotlight seems kind of sad. Okay, that's what's happening. Prefabs. The guard. Yeah, okay, I didn't get rid of the point light. If that is a missing prefab, why is it still there? I already have all the other police stuff. Wait a second, you're supposed to be... That other light was supposed to be attached to... Yeah, you're supposed to be attached to... No, the clothing. Oh, I still haven't checked the colors. At this point, I don't... Okay, so... Yeah, because now the light should actually sway a little bit too. And I may or may not need to make it much stronger. Yeah, okay, I think I need to make it much stronger. Because I do want it to be visible from pretty far away, and I only... Oh, you're shooting at me from that far away. Okay, yeah, that's kind of fun. So... Let's do light wherever you went. Give it like 3 maybe. I think I want it a little further on the beam there too. Yeah, I kind of want the world to be lit up by the the guards' flashlight beams, kind of. How are you guys seeing me immediately? Because you really shouldn't. Well, yeah, no, I was hiding on the edge of a crate and stuff too, so that was working there. I definitely need the audio for... Oh, wait, we got a live one over here. Oh, did you not see me? Oh, you did not see me. Oh, you don't have a coin on this model. That makes sense. Okay, and then I need to switch out the models. There we go. It's like it took you a little bit to see me there. Yeah, it'd be better if you got a better vantage point, but at this point, that's fine. Just kind of shoot in my general direction. Oh, the other model. It's going off the other model that is not working right now. Okay, so I do need to switch between them to get the gun to work again. Oh man, so that means if it gets anywhere near the edge of something, it's gonna completely just pop back and forth between the two models. It's gonna be obnoxious, but... which I suppose there is a nice tool that I have installed for switching between two things in a nice motion, but it's because it's two models entirely. I don't know if it would behoove me to fade between them. Okay. So, let's do... maybe not list of game objects. Okay, wait, I can just parent the... That'll be easier if I do that. So this skin will be inside of the clothes. That makes sense. Okay, so now the... Wait. Wait. What did I just do? Police skin, flashlight skin. Okay, yeah, you know, I was doing it right. So police clothes and then police with flashlight clothes. Okay, so now the model for the... so how about just flash... Okay, how about idle, model, and then... No, okay, idle model and shooting model. There we go. Okay, so now when it's doing walk, it is the idle model set active to I'm starting to copy too many things. This should be probably a method at this point, especially when it has walk speed and okay, so now uh-oh, I'm using a brain cell. Might blow a gasket. Spinning cube. Also, hello. Thank you for stopping by. Do say if you want the full explanation of what the heck is going on. But otherwise, I'm gonna try to remember what I'm doing and finish this. But you do. I'm distracted. Okay, no, okay, give me 1 second to make a method for this. So this is the walking. Just say walking. And then we throw all of this stuff, and that's idle model is set to... Oh, don't understand cube? Or code? I read it. I read the wrong... Okay, I mean, this is not great code either, so it's okay if you do not understand it. It's never been my strong suit, but I've gone out of my way to make it so nothing is my strong suit, and I don't think it's helped me much. Okay, so... You understand enough to cover for everyone? That is a good spot to be in life. And to have that kind of confidence, too, because I've never had that kind of confidence either. Oh, I'm just not using it anywhere. Okay, so now, since I keep repeating this code, there we go. Okay, and then the one that's not walking will be... Okay, the set destination is the... And then there. I believe that's all the things, right? Yeah, agent speed. Okay, so those are all the ones that need to do that. Here it'll be idle, and it'll also be the shooting model. Okay, wait, so idle model is set active to false, you lied, and then shooting model Set active to. You guessed what I already put. I'm doing it backward. I'm switching it out. Okay, so now the what am I making? And then the do tween will boost my confidence. Okay, so the full thing is Pirate Software is doing a 2-week game jam, of which there's 3.5 days left, and the theme is Shadows and Alchemy. So I am making an immersive sim with powers inspired by alchemy. So, and that looks like, if everything works, we shall see. Okay, let's do some more guards. Okay. There we go. So it looks like this. So ideally it's supposed to be there's potions that you can pick up and throw. Right now it just sort of gives you a semi-random potion. Or well, it's not random anymore, but... So this is supposed to be a locks everything in place potion. And then I didn't set the models for the characters. Meaning the guards probably exploded and died. Or like never got set. Okay, so the idle model is... That's the shooting model. And then the flashlight one is the idle one. Okay, there. So now let's see if I can show off the guards. Wait, let's do random potions too. I want to show off the everything, because I'm kind of at that point of like... getting to there. I don't want to have a random potion, do I? Yeah, okay, player. And then it should be on start. It was... What was setting the... Potion type is potion type. Wait, what was setting potion type again? Where's the random option? Potion type. Where'd random potion go? That's reload potion. It's potion type, and then potion type should have been... I should have still had an option for random potions, right? I didn't get rid of that entirely, I thought. I mean, it might have. Okay, so potion type. Do I have random? No, it was on the potion. There we go. Okay, there's the random potion. Okay, I might actually do this then. I lied, since I was trying to think of it being on the player, and that makes more sense to me now at this point. Okay, so now the potion is not setting it, it's the player that's setting the potion. And then I believe that's working? That doesn't feel like it should be working, but okay. So now hopefully the guard models are working, and it will give me a random potion. Oh, it is 8 o'clock. Okay, so it has gotten later. Just feeling like I was getting so much done. And then... Although I wasn't even expecting to get around the level generation stuff this weekend, so... And the guard has already gotten to me. Because I wanted to pour myself some water real quick. Okay. So... Because I did want to go for like full game loop at this point. Okay, so you're supposed to run and find treasure, and supposed to run and find the Philosopher's Stone, while avoiding the guards who have already seen me and are shooting at me. Oh, I need to finish the shooting. The shooting is not properly working. Yeah, so you're even less threatening than you used to be. Okay, so then there's the Philosopher's Stone over there. Oh, I never did finish the patrolling either. That's still borked. That's still entirely broken. Okay, this is also spawn. Okay, I got a few things to work on. Why'd you have to come this way? I was about to go out that door. Ruh-roh. Okay, this door. There we go. Okay, so maybe it was chasing me. Oh, I guess other intro stuff. I typically do game development and pixel art on Mondays and Wednesdays, and then indie games on Fridays, but I did 2 weeks of Elden Ring. Now I'm doing 2 weeks of Pirate Software Jam. So I've just been streaming like a madman, which might also be why my computer is mad at me. Okay, there was a couple things that I was gonna put down as other things to do. So I did replace the character art. I have added shooting. And I don't think I'm gonna worry about making it search any better. And I got rid of the option. Okay, so I did that stuff. I hadn't looked at this and I just remembered all these. Okay, picking up items. I still need to pick up potions. Patrol, sensing player, sensing other guards. That's also an important one. Oh, and then whether they detect you or not. And the treasures found, I did. And it is dropping potions now. I don't think I have a guards eliminated on the results screen, and I don't think I want to. I don't think I want you to be eliminating guards. Okay, so let's get the detected on the results screen, since I happen to look at it. So this does have the player, and the player has the stuff for results. So detected toggle. And then a bool for detected? Detected, yes, okay. And that is not public. So probably I want to just do it public then, because the guards will say, hey, I detected the player. Okay, so then guard. And then if it is... Well, it has to go into chasing first. Then it'll go into these other ones. So, then that means target, get component is the player, and then dot detected is true. The guard did in fact find you. And then this is in fact detected toggle is okay. So that might actually be quicker than I think. Yay. Oh, I do still have a fair amount of audio stuff to do as well. Man, it's kind of weird that I'm wearing this t-shirt, this graphic tee that has this kind of like the ironed on logo thing. And the heat has made it so that I could definitely feel where the image is. And it's like, ugh, it's just like slightly extra hot on my chest. It's just not feeling good. Okay, you were looking at me, right? You have entirely detected me. Okay, you were shooting at me, so that means we can test and see if... And you're coming after me. Now we run out. I was detected. I did find the Philosopher's Stone. I didn't pick up any treasure. And nobody caught me. Hell yeah. Also, hello, hello. The evil gnome from New Vegas gained life? What is this New Vegas? Oh, you got me curious. Is it New Vegas being Fallout New Vegas? Wait, there's a living gnome in Fallout New Vegas? I guess I gotta add that to my list of games with gnomes. Okay, so Chrome is apparently still lagging out like none other. Gee, thanks. So if I go click on Unity, is that also gonna lag out? I wanted to go look at this New Vegas gnome. Let's see if that is a thing or not. Yeah, because I got... Wait. Steam. Steam can tell me exactly how many hours I got into New Vegas. There is an evil gnome in Fallout New Vegas. Maybe I should give New Vegas a try again. So, because how far did I get into Fallout New Vegas? This does have it, right? I got how many hours? Because there was an NPC that killed some faction people, and then I got a full 27 hours into Fallout New Vegas. Wow. Yeah, because I played all of Fallout 3 and enjoyed it. I got 27 hours into Fallout New Vegas. An NPC killed some faction people, and then it saved, or it auto-saved or something, and then I lost interest in it. And then I never picked up any of the other Fallout games. It's a franchise I do like, and I wouldn't mind going back to at some point, but it's just, for the other ones never grabbed me as much, but... Listens only to Gnome Rock and only plays Gnome games. There's two, but one is glitched out. Huh. I don't only listen to Gnome Rock and only play Gnome games, but I do listen to the band Gnome and have thought about getting their merch, but they're a European band, not... I don't think they've come to the US, so... And they do wear gnome hats. And then, I definitely don't only play gnome games, because the ones that I've played either don't click with me or are just not great. Which is kind of funny that... Be the first gnome to pronounce the G. Well, if you start pronouncing the G, then you get into the... I'm not a gnoblin, I'm not a gnelf, I'm a gnome! You've been gnomed! Which, yeah, not a fan of that meme either. Oh, also, if you want more intro stuff, I do game dev and pixel art on Mondays and Wednesdays, and indie games on Fridays, typically. But I did 2 weeks of Elden Ring, and now I'm doing 2 weeks of Pirate Software Jam. And then, if you want an explanation as to what I'm doing here, let's go back to... So the full explanation here is the Pirate Software is doing a 2-week jam with the theme Shadows and Alchemy, and I'm making an immersive sim with powers inspired by alchemy. And it looks like... Gave up on game dev. Microsoft hates me. I mean, you can do it on Apple, which I've found to be worse, but... So, it's looking kind of like that. I need the... I still am working on the shooting. The shooting is kind of work in progress right now. But everything else is somewhat functioning. So that's a fire potion. You can burn stuff. I think it should also light the guards on fire. Oh, I might have to check and make sure that the... Okay, so you are freaking out. You're also looking at me the entire... Ah, I got snuck up on from behind. I do need to make audio. Yeah, audio is the stuff that I really need to work on next, but... Force you to use... Okay, wait, Microsoft Visual Compiler? I'm not entirely familiar with MSVC. Voice control? That's not it either. Okay, it's supposed to be random. Why is it giving me just fire potions? It's like just fire potions, isn't it? I wanted to show off the other potion types. Like random, please. Oh, it's randomly picking... okay, yeah, so it's... So if I keep This is the definition of random? Okay, if I keep reloading the scene, it'll give me... There we go, okay. So now here's supposed to be the air potion. that throws everything around. This one's a little finicky. I need to work on it as well. And then, yeah, so this is the Earth Potion. It's supposed to lock everything in place. It's a little boring, but it's a little better when there's things moving around. And it's supposed to stop the guards in their tracks too, but it doesn't seem to work. It kind of makes them derp out and they just stop, but I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, I need to add the coin. I had a coin on the back of their pants. And then let's see. Yeah, there we go. My favorite is the Ghost Potion. That turns everything transparent. And then because of the way I have jumping, if it's just determining if there's something below the character, so you can kind of use the Ghost Potions as a way to jump way up in the sky. Very high. Yeah, and then it just neutralizes the guards too. I think it's like I feel like I should do timers or something to make sure that you can't just completely nuke the guards, but it's entirely possible to get fired 10,000 times in a row. It is. Oh, the water potion. That's the other one that I haven't rolled. Let's see how long it takes me. Yeah, and as you can see, there's a bunch of potions that spawn into a level. I think that's... No! I got too... There we go. I got too jumpy with it. Yeah, and this is supposed to also derp out the guards too, but it doesn't seem to want to do it. I didn't get to show off what it does. You dumb. There we go. Okay, so then if I hit it with the blue, it turns off all of the, there we go. I need a better light there. Wow, you can't see that at all. I need more lights in here. It's just because this is supposed to be shadows and alchemy, and I've leaned so hard into the alchemy part that I'm like, I gotta have at least, like, darkness. That'll work as shadows, right? That's the one part that's not working for the theme. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so blue turns off all of the... whatchamacallit. Are you not? I regret using Do Tween. It's not. Maybe it should be third person. Well, this is very Dishonored inspired, so. Why would I need third person exactly? Some of it is, at least for like lighting, is I just need to add more lights, so. Okay, so that was detected. I added detected to the results screen. I keep missing the enemies approaching me. Well, that's, I think that's more of an audio thing. I think if I add some footstep audio, and if I add, like a voice line and stuff, if they say, "Oi, hey," you know, "Hey, we got a live one over here," I think that'll also help. If they say, "Hey, I'm coming for you." Yeah, because like here it should be doing sounds for like shooting at me and stuff. Why are you transparent? Oh, you're not. Why are you glitching out to look transparent? Oh yeah, you're burning. I do need to have a little more of an effect there. They just seem to stop. Yeah, I do want to add some gold potions and stuff. Okay, so kind of want to do a list of held potions, I think. Oh, was there any other low-hanging fruit I could add? I do not have guards eliminated, and I don't think I want to. So results screen is done. Yeah, pick up items, which is the potions. Oh, and that sound effect slider is not actually doing anything either. Oh, I did fix the scene transitions. So, thumbnail, audio stuff. Oh, the guard vision cone I did. Wow, I did all the things, man. Oh, guards. Yeah, guards sensing other guards. Yeah, I guess, like, Dishonored does a fair amount of... Because it has audio cues. It's like, if the guard sees you, it does an audio cue to say, hey, there's a guard running after you. And I think that would probably help here. I also need to make, like, a safe space. So that you can actually see the area before you're immediately dropped in on a guard or something. But that's why I wanted to do level generation stuff. Yeah, I might do some audio stuff too. Especially like you were saying, if I keep having enemies run into me, some audio for this stuff would definitely help. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm gonna do for background music, and I might not. Like, this is the kind of game that I could maybe get away with no background music, at least if I have enough sound effects for everything else. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I might want to switch out. Let's put that down as a possible, like, not a to-do today, but so change. Okay, caps lock, please. Change. Wow. Change player arms. That's the one thing. It's like, it just... I'm so bad at typing, and I like to look at my hands, because I can type without looking at my hands, and yet it's just so tempting. And then I'm like, oh wait, I'm streaming, I have to look around my microphone. And there's just all sorts of problems. Okay. I kind of want to change out the player arms to be something other than default white arms. Because you're supposed to be an alchemist, so it's like, if I can do... Okay, and then what I need to do for the... Okay, this I was just throwing out, so no quaffing potions, and I probably won't do that. So pick up items, which is potions. Yeah, I just don't want a UI list of like, here's how many red potions you have. Here's how many yellow potions you have. Okay, so the player, we're going to do a list of probably game object potions. Or maybe potion? Do I not need to do potion type? Okay. Because it is going to be, when you reload a potion, it should pull from yeah, okay, so it should pull from a list of potions. Oh, it is just the potion type. Everything else is going to be the same, so it is the potion type. So, we'll do a list of potion types. Sure, somewhere in here maybe. So, serialized field. So I'm thinking each of the potions that you pick up will just go into a list of potions, and then each potion you throw will just deplete that list. That's what I'm thinking of doing. So potion... I mean, you're close. I think I want to just do potion type. Because that's really all I need, is just a list of potion types. Okay, and let me be explicit. Fuck! So potion type list. And then when you reload a potion, it does so here the potion type is potion type list at 0. This instead. So instead of the player potion type list at 0, and then potion type. Oops, potion type list. Holy balls. Potion type list dot remove. At 0. Yeah, so pop the top one off the stack. And then remove it. And then if there is no... So this is if the potion type list is greater than 0. So if you've picked up any potions, dot count rather. There we go. So if you've picked up any potions, it'll grab the first potion off the list and remove it. Otherwise, you don't get a potion. And then, so it should reload to no potion. And then it should be here. Oh, you're supposed to play, and this should be. And it is destroy, yeah, okay. I do want to destroy the potion. Oh, wait, that's how I'm doing the coin too, right? Because the coin... Oh yeah, audio source that plays on the player, so I don't need the coin to hang around. Oh, I was doing that because of... Okay, so we'll do 0.0. It'll be a little goofy, but it'll give me an opportunity to... If I want to add an animation for the coin to fly towards the player as opposed to just disappearing. Okay, and then... So potion type list dot add the collider potion type. Okay, so let's do... So potion, and then potion info equals this stuff, and then potion info there, and then potion info here. Okay, so hopefully it'll reload with no potion. Then, so what happens if you try to throw a non-existent potion? Held potion, which is going to be null in this case, right? Meaning that'll explode. So yeah, this is all using held potion stuff. So that's if there is a held potion, then throw the held potion. So if held potion is not equal to null, there we go. So it should reload with no potion, and then if you try to throw it, it won't do anything. And then if you find a potion and pick it up, it'll add it to the list. And then you can throw it based on the list. Might be a little awkward. Well, and ideally I want it to be like you can use the number keys to switch to a different potion if you have one. Okay, so it's at least not doing a null. So then if I do that... it seemed to do it, actually. So you... It's thinking about it. Okay, potion. Potions. Mine. So, oh, so when I pick it up, I should also reload the potion. That's also the thing. So reload potion. Yeah, it's just because I don't want a bunch of UI stuff, but it's probably the better idea is to just say how many of each potion that you have. I don't know. I don't know that it's gonna matter all that much either. Okay. So now that I'm picking up everything, I'm like, ooh, let's pick up all the coins. So fire potion. Aha. And then if I throw it, hey, you're not supposed to reload with the fire potion again. You're not supposed to reload with the fire potion again. You're not supposed to. You're not. Wait, that's an air potion. That's a yellow potion. Huh? Why does it look red, but it's behaving like it's yellow? And okay, I need to use the restroom. I will be back. Ugh, it just does not feel good to put on sweaty headphones. Okay, so what is going on now? So when the throw ends, if held potion is equal to null, is not equal to null. Oh, and then it reloads the potion, which is saying potion is supposed to remove. Okay, the first potion that I threw was a red potion, right? So I... hello. You're just right on top of me. That's definitely something I need to fix. So the guards do not... What's it? Oh, it's shooting. They were shooting at me. I was like, I thought that was like a particle effect or something. Okay, you're gonna... The aim is off on that too. Okay, so I have no potion. I cannot do anything. have no potion. I thought I just picked up a water potion. Okay, and then I pick up. It didn't do anything. What? Huh? It worked kind of once, and now it's working less well. Okay, I can pick up this still, right? Yeah, I need to make sure. Okay, that's another bug. That's another bug. Write it down. Write it down. Okay, bug. So goal. Not spawning. Incorrect. Position. And then another thing here, I want to add spin to goal. Okay. Ooh, it's only 8:30. I could do a little Balatro. I could do a little Boratro. Okay. I didn't change that. It was a blue potion. Why was it blue? That's a blue potion. I picked up a green potion and it's giving me the... Yeah, it's very much distinctly giving me the water effect. Lol, get wrecked. And then if I try to pick up anything else, it's also not doing it. Okay, that's something else entirely. Okay, why are you... Switch potion type. Okay, so you're not... So what in the heck is happening here? Add the potion type. Potion info, potion type. Potion info here. Yeah, so then it says it's an earth potion, and it puts an earth potion into the list, then reloads the potion. Potion says the held potion is... then the reload potion says, okay, it's greater than... Because there's one in there. It instantiates the potion. And the potion type is whatever is the first on the list, which this should be just the one. It's like, why is the effect of the potion different from the potion I pick up? It's confusing to me. And also, why is it not going away? Okay, so I don't have a potion. It's not doing anything. I pick up a green potion. Oh, I wanted to pick up. Wait, what the? Huh? So pick up. I regret adding this pick up potions thing. This is not working out for me. Pick up the potion. Why did that one work? Okay, and then I throw the potion. It's a ghost potion. What in the world? Why is this off by one? Why is this also... Because I'm not using like a variable here. What do you mean? What? And then it removes it from the list, and the potion type list should be 0. It's not changing the potion info, right? Okay, dadgummit. So now let's do a nice debug.log. What the heck is the potion info potion type? It's gotta be correct. Because it's adding the right potion, but it's not throwing the right potion is the confusion. So what potion type is being added. Okay, and then secondarily, because when it's thrown, what is the potion type? Okay, because I'm not actually seeing if or I'm not paying attention to if the in-flight potion is the correct color or not. I'm just seeing the explosion effect be the wrong color. Also, what happens if I pick up a ghost potion if it's doing this weird, like, off by 1? Oh, that was just me not doing the keyboard right. Okay. I'll say hello, hello. So I pick up a green potion. It did not do anything. I pick up a red potion. It explodes. Why are you exploding? That might also be the problem. What? Oh. And the console didn't go off at all? What are you on about? Okay, reload potion. Why is it giving me different responses to the same things? I fiddle with my eyebrows just a little bit. Okay, so I need a potion. Cause this is doing what I want. I'm like, you pick up the coin, get a nice yay, but then I go do that for a potion and it just decides. Okay, so a ghost potion. You're supposed to reload the potion, and sometimes you do. Okay, and then there is no potion. You're not doing anything. There is no potion. Pick up the potion. What are you... If E was pressed this frame, it does the audio very clearly, and then... Where's the debug log, you dumb? And then it does reload potion, and then... How are you... What? You're skipping the debug log. I can clearly hear the yay when I go to pick up the potion. And then it was actually picking up the potion sometimes. Okay, green potion. I pick up the green potion, and then it does it. I'm like, I didn't change anything. But then when I throw it... It's a blue potion. No, it's not. It's a green potion that I picked up. And also, it should be... Okay, when I throw it, what color is it? That's a green potion, but why is it exploding blue? How, what? How in the world are you doing this? All I did was pick up a single green potion, and sometimes it reloads it, sometimes it... Okay, can I revert this? I think I'm making kind of win. Okay, I want to really quickly just... so on the start, it should... Oh, I guess if I added a potion type. list. I just don't understand why I do the same things and it gives me different answers. Because sometimes it lets me pick up the potion, but then it throws the wrong kind of potion, and it's like, how are you doing that? What do you mean? So I pick up a yellow potion. It actually does pick up. It's like, okay, sure looks like I have a yellow potion, and it's like, here's a red potion. Or green potion, rather. Then I try to pick up a red potion, and then it's gonna be a blue. It's a green potion. So get hit with a green potion. Why is it not also not deleting it? Because it should be, I throw the potion. Okay, screw this potion type list. Maybe that's the problem. So give me game objects instead. Game object potion type list. So here instead. Add the game object. So hit collider. I just need the potion type info. I don't need... Okay, let's... I need to go to bed is what I need. Okay, can I do like an on update? Just tell me how many flipping, what the heck are the potion? Okay, I need 2 pieces of information. I need the potion type list dot count. Why did I do it like that? Okay, potion type list dot count in a debug.log. Oh, that's the other thing, is when I try to pick up a potion, it does not do the debug log. And I'm like, how are you skipping that when you're clearly playing the audio, you dumb? Okay, debug.log. And then potion type list 0. Okay, so num potions and then first potion. Potions. I like my caps, but whatever. First potion. Okay, now. So, is this going to do this on update? We shall see. Hopefully it does something, because it's not telling me when I pick it up. Despite the fact that it does the audio and it does what I want it to do, it doesn't do a debug log. So is it because it's a potion type? Because it's an enum or something? Okay, well, so if there is anything in the potion type list. It's greater than 0. So you do have a list of some values, right? I'm also just confused that when I toss the potion, it's a different kind of thing sometimes. Or rather, it's what you think. No, I want to finish this. I don't want to sleep. Looks like I'm gonna have to sleep no matter if I want that or not. Okay, guards, you're not what I'm looking to deal with right now. I'm not messing with the guards. That is not the focus of the development right now. Okay, so the debug.log 3 a.m. and you're still working? I have no excuses. Well, are you doing good work though? Work smarter, not harder. That's the thing. If I stay up till 3 a.m. working, I will be doing very poor work. And then it's white. And it's no debugs. Why are you doing no debugs? Because I'm dumb. There we go. Numb potions 0. Why in the heck are you... What in the world are you even doing here? Ay, ay, ay. Doing better than me. Working at 3 a.m. Well. Just rub it in, why don't you? No, I'm actually really happy with the amount of progress I've made today. Like, I was not expecting to kind of finish with the guards, and well, I still have to make it so that the bullets actually, like, hit me on stuff. But... Okay, where is a potion? I need a potion. Okay. So I have no potions. I has one potion, and it's a fire potion. That is what I want. I like it. So then I throw the potion. What do you mean? It says it's a fire potion, and it comes out as a water potion. And then I have one potion that is a fire potion. Why do I have one potion that's still a fire potion? It's supposed to remove it. Okay, so it's adding it to the list correctly, and it's saying that it's a fire potion. But then when I actually try to make it... So when I throw the potion... It's a red potion, though. I'm like, how is the explosion turned into a different kind of potion? What, huh? I confused. Doing even better working at 4 a.m. Definitely not on hold for 30 seconds in Unity. The restart did help. It did help to restart things. Okay, why it dumb? Cause I dumb. Okay, how do I make it less dumb? Have somebody else do it. Okay, I'm the only one that can work on it. How do I become less dumb to fix it? Sleep, maybe? I don't want to go to bed. Sleep on it. Okay, so I don't want to sleep on it, and I'm the one that has to solve this. So then how do I do that? Oh, no good answers now, dang it. Okay, when I throw the potion... Potion. Oh, this potion type. Oh, no. Okay, I know what's wrong. Potion type list. I forgot to go over all the old stuff. Okay, so that fixes that problem at least. So now the potion type will actually match up with the one that's in the list. Okay, there we go. I'm talking to myself, I'm crazy. There might have been a reason why I started streaming, because this is not entirely a bit. I am almost always by myself and almost always talking to myself, so. Is it stimulating conversation? Not really, not necessarily, no. Inside me there are 2 wolves. Okay. So, let's see if I at least fixed that problem. I need a potion. So, potion. Aether potion. It looks like an aether potion. And it throws like an aether potion. Okay, good. Ah, good. So now there's a fire potion. And then I throw that. Okay, there's 2 potions in the list, an aether potion and a fire potion. So, it's not... Also talk to myself while I work. Like explaining stuff to myself. Well, I know that is the rubber ducky technique. You just have somebody come over and you explain what you're trying to do, and in the explanation you realize what might be the issue. Okay, so I fixed that at any rate, but the problem is here. When you reload a potion, potion type list, remove 0. Oh, you're removing that. No. Okay, there we go. My brain finally unfuzzed itself. Remove the first item in the list. I was thinking that was an at. Remove at. Duh. There we go. That's what I really want. Remove at. There we go. Remove at 0. There we go. Remove the first item in the list when it is thrown. Okay, that only took me about half an hour to realize the couple code mistakes of the dangers of copy pasting. Actually, no, I don't think that was a copy paste issue. That was just I forgot to actually make the list work correctly. Well, there might have been a little copy paste with that potion type. I was just using the potion type I had set up instead of the one in the list. Okay, I have no potions. I have 1 potion and it's an Aether potion. I throw it. It's gone. It kind of like completely disappeared. Okay. I pick up a yellow potion. I throw a yellow potion. What? Why are you vaporizing into dust? I think it's probably because it's removing it from the list before it actually makes the explosion, but that's kind of a bummer. Okay, I'm so close. I just need to make it so the explosion comes back. It sucks that it's just gone. Doing absolutely flawless, efficient blueprints that are actual art. That's awesome. That's gotta feel good. At least I hope it's not a sarcastic thing of actually making complete spaghetti. You got all your, what is it, chord management, essentially, on blueprints. Okay. So, okay, here. So I don't actually want to remove it here. I want to remove it when it's thrown. So then set it, and there we go. So not here. So that'll load up a potion, and then when you throw it, it will remove it. Okay, let's see if that does it. Super cautious about every node you place. Okay. I can see how you would get some very nice, clean blueprints there. You mean you actually think through your code a little bit before you write things? Because I'm still very much a junior when it comes to that. That's the other frustrating thing is about all the jobs I've had is I don't feel like I've had a mentor that says, hey, let's actually look at your code. It's always been like, you're on this other side project. Have fun. Like, I don't care about this at all. Okay, I throw it. It goes away. I pick it up. I throw it. Yay! 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 Okay. Now I can feel like I can actually, like, scrounge for stuff. So now, it is a list of potions, so I should be able to go pick up, just hoover up all these coins. Wow, I obliterated those boxes. Okay. So where is more potions so I can get a list of them? So, Aether potion. And then I'm gonna go pick up converting stuff into macros whenever you can. That's good. As in, like, actually using a bunch of methods everywhere and stuff. Because I definitely do the copy-paste stuff. The problem is like I know that I'm not doing good, efficient code, but I don't entirely know how to do better code. And I mean, some of it might be I just need to do... Yeah, okay, this is not spawning in the correct spot. But some of it might be that I just need to actually do revisions on the code I make. I need to make something, and then I need to remake it, and then I need to remake it again. And then maybe that'll tell me. Okay, so now I've picked up a ghost potion, a ground potion, and then I think 2 fire potions. Yes, and something else. No. Okay, so you are incorrect in your... so reload here. No. Making nodes from a bunch of notes instead of copy pasting a huge chunk of them. That's the way to do it. I mean, like, I keep pulling off of old projects and stuff, and I'm like, I should really remake an old project, not just... I should just sit down, see what the code is doing, and see if I can figure out a better way to do it. Okay, so right now it is reloading the potion because... So when it ends the throw... Well, it should be removing and then reloading it. One node with inputs and outputs instead of 20 of them. Yeah, that sounds like a good organized way to do it. Yeah, I think I have a couple of scripts that are taking in inputs. And I have like a few different menu scripts and stuff too, because I'm like, oh, well, I need one for the main menu, but I also need one for options and pause and other stuff. So there's a fair amount of replicated work. But it's one of those things if I try to do a little bit less. Okay, so now I have a fire potion and 2 earth potions. So I throw the fire one, I throw the earth one, I throw the earth one. And then it says I have no potions, but it reloaded. Okay, visually it reloaded the red potion. So when it hits the end of the list here, okay, why is it? Okay, so because it was if I do only one potion, it was resetting properly, I think. But if I do multiple potions, now it's saying, okay, well this potion didn't remove. Okay, if I do one potion, so I just do one yellow potion, and I throw it, it removes it. If I do a red potion and another red potion, and I throw it, I get a red potion, and I get a red potion, and then it does not remove it. Or rather, it still visually shows up. So why is it still visually showing up? Oh, because this is removing the potion at the end and then reloading it, but held potion. Well, no, this is instantiating a potion, and that potion list is 0. That's if it picks it up, then it places it in the hand. Okay, wait. Oh, it's so close. Okay, wait. When throw end, held potion is not equal to null. Held potion is So it finishes the throw. But that means held potion is not equal to null, which is why it does this. Ah, I'm so close! No, okay, so this throws the potion away. But it seems like it's doing reload potion and then saying the potion type list is it because it's either not properly throwing the other potion away, or why are you well, oh yeah, because if I did if I did that pile of potions, it goes back to that first potion. So apparently when I reload the potion at the end of a throw, it's saying that there is something in the potion list. Okay, but this is the only place where it doesn't remove, right? Meaning when you go to reload the potion, and then potion type list.count is greater than 0. I mean, it should be 0 at that point. Why? Why are you doing this? No, it's so close. It's so close. It's 9 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I know it's 3 o'clock. I know it's 4 o'clock. But it's 9 o'clock, and I am an old man who goes to bed early. Or tries to, and then end up going to bed at like 9:30 or 10 o'clock anyway. Well, it's because it's 9 o'clock and it's not until I'm not actively going to bed and then brushing my teeth and stuff is gonna make it so that it takes half an hour and stuff. Why? Why does that work completely perfectly? I have 1 potion, but then I pick up 2 potions. So then I do a white potion and a yellow potion. And then it goes back to the white potion, but it's not actually there. It just shows up visually. It's like, how is that showing up visually again? It's past 3 a.m.? Okay. Well, yeah, it's just past 9 p.m. where I'm at. It's only if I have 2 potions in the potion list, then it goes back to that first potion. But it shows up visually, but it doesn't... It feels like it's saying that there is a potion in the potion list, but then when I hit... How... How... Reload potion. Oh, it's doing reload potion when it's not doing that throw end. That's how. Okay. Wait. No, this is only when you press E, though. Okay, where's it doing reload potion? The start. It doesn't need to do that anymore unless I have a potion in the potion list, but I don't. And then it does it when you press E, so when you pick up a potion, it does reload potion. Which I want it to do, because you just picked up a potion. And then at the end of a throw, it does reload potion. Which I want it to do. But it's remove at 0, so the potion list, potion type list, should be 0. It should have nothing in it. But then when it does reload potion, it says, okay, there is still one last one in the list. But then when you go to throw it, there is no held potion. It shows up in the hand, though. And then if held potion is not equal to null, but apparently held potion is equal to null despite the fact that it shows up visually. How is it showing up visually? Okay, I'm going in circles here. This is not happening. You're surrendering? Okay, that's what I'm doing too. I'm like, yeah, it's past 9 o'clock and I'm going in circles. So, this is a sleep on it and come back. It's just so weird. Oh, wait. I have the debug that tells me how many are in the list. Okay, one last test. One last. One more once. Okay, I need another potion. I need 2 potions in the list. And let's see if it says there are 2 potions. So there are 2 potions. An air potion and the other an earth potion. So now there is 1 potion that's an earth potion. I throw it. There is 0 potions. But somebody is somehow squeaking in one last yellow potion visually. I don't know where it's coming from. It's like weird. It's not you doing some kind of ghost potion that shows up only after the fact. Right? Okay, one last test. One more once. Okay, yeah. Goodbye, good night. Have fun sleeping. I'm gonna do that here in a second. One last test. Just one more. One more quick little, just one. I just need one more. No, I think this will be my one last test. If this doesn't work, I'm going to bed. If it does, I'm gonna be excited. But either or, I'm heading to bed. Okay, that's 2 white potions. I throw one of the white potions. And then I throw the other white potion. And it says there's no potions, but it made a potion. Okay, nope. Dang it. I'll have to figure it out another day. And I got sucked into this enough that no Balatro either. Okay, so let's see how long it takes to close Unity. I could have started counting the seconds there, but we'll see how many seconds the Unity says it takes to close. Okay, I should have reset Unity a long time ago. Okay, it was just lagging out because I should have reset Unity a long time ago. It seems like everything is working better now. Maybe. Nah, it's still kind of loading stuff. Okay, but oh, those are other folders. Okay, goodbye, good night. Thanks for stopping by. Have fun sleeping. Good luck. Bye.